Welcome to Aquae Sulis. This is one of my first VR projects that we're testing out as part of the Unity Learn web thingy. So I'll walk you through what we got here. So this is the old temple as it was in Bath, the UK. No longer exists anymore. Some of the Great Bath is still there, but this is all done from the archaeological blueprints or findings of Bath. So this is what it might be like, or might have been like, back in 4 AD. Welcome, traveller. You seem to be weary from your journey across the empire. Unfortunately, our library, which is over here, has been ransacked, and there are 12 scrolls containing our Roman knowledge have been scattered over the courtyard. Can you help to restore the library and learn of the ancient Aquae Sulis? How to play. So, you can't see my controllers, of course, but pressing buttons makes these rays, which then has targets on the floor in order to move around. And we'll have a quick look at the options before we walk about the place. So we can reset everything, or just play a location. And we can also do from snap turning to continuous turning, which allows us to move very gradually instead of the snap. If we're sitting down, we can also move up and down, but I'm standing at the moment, so it's all good. And I will turn on distance grab. That means that I can pick up objects with my rays. Alright, so let's have a little walk about. So you can see we can pick up some objects, like this light, which is real-time lighting, which is nice. And they're all connected with these grab interactables and sockets. So you've got a little bit of spiel about each of the individual parts around the place. So you can pick up and then activate to make the text appear. And then that, if I teleport over to the library, we can see that's created some objects that we found. So the goal, there's 12 objects to find around the place. So I'll rush through pretty quickly. We got these banners, which you can pick up. And we'll collect the scroll. So SBQR, the Italians have long used the different and humorous expansion of this abbreviation, sono pazzi questi Romani. Literally, they're crazy, these Romans. And in here, we can see some of these are interactable. You can tell between the difference of the baked and the direct lighting. So we got some nice sound effects and particle effects going on there. Not very impressed with particle effects. But it will also splash on velocity, and above a certain angle it will start pouring water. Let's collect this scroll. Okay, we have everything there. Let's move to the weapons room. So, I'll collect the scrolls quickly. About helmets and shields. And we can see we've got a mirror set up here, so let's kit ourselves up. Get the helmet on. Get the shield. And a spear as well. So I'll collect scrolls, chuck all that down. Now we'll save the temple for now and just have a little walk about the place. It's only a small little courtyard. I'd love to develop it a bit more into a whole town, or at least the whole bathing complex. There's mosaics. We got these nice little boats. And a curse tablet on the floor. So this is an example or a translation of an actual bit of lead that was found at the Roman baths, cursing someone for taking their cloak. Okay, we can see a video of, this is from the Roman Bards website, and this is what I've used as my inspiration, along with the archaeological drawings, to create this place. So you should be able to hear some sound effects as well, of some people playing inside the Roman baths and some birds chirping in the trees. Right, let's go and have a look at the temple. We've got an eagle banner. And this is a Greek statue, but there was a statue of Minerva, which was gilded bronze, I believe. There's some more of these jugs. But it's come out lovely and detailed. So let's have a look. I think that is all of our items now. We won the game. Yay. Right, and now let's finish off with a sneak aerial view of the whole complex. Well, thanks for watching, and yeah, look out for future developments of Aquae Sulis.